I'm sure when you're browsing YouTube, you see everyone using these big fancy text effects. Well, I'm here to show you my top 5 favorite text effects that are completely free with 0 plugins. The first effect is Fade In by Word. This effect is pretty basic, but it's a staple and one I use quite often. Unlike the other effects on our list, this one doesn't have a lot of controls. The only controls you really need to worry about are these two right here, and if you adjust these keyframes, they'll adjust the speed at which the text appears. The second effect is Decoder Fade In. This effect is similar to the one we saw before, but instead of a smooth fade transition, this has a decoding fade transition like you would see in an action movie or in a video game, kind of like Call of Duty. If you hit the down arrow on your text layer, this effect has a lot more controls than it did before. You can adjust the speed, offset, alignment, and range of this animation to really make this your own. The third text animation is Blur and Fade In. Blur transitions are one of the most professional effects that you can use, and Blur Fade In is a great choice for you to use. My preset for this would be go down to Effects, click the drop down arrow on your rotation, and then remove this code. Now I'll leave you with a nice smooth blur in transition without the rotation. My fourth favorite effect is Blinking Cursor Typewriter. This effect mimics typing on a keyboard and it's a great one to use. I've already made a tutorial on how you can automate this effect on your captions. Go ahead and click here to watch that video. The final effect is Zoom Away. This effect starts out as an ending transition, but if you go down to Effect Controls, go to Advanced, and change the shape from ramp down to ramp up, you have a super clean zoom transition. And those are my top 5 text effects that you can use for free in Adobe After Effects. Make sure you check out the rest of them because all of them are pretty great. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.